everyone starts with zero. Ito yung gusto kong i-remind to everyone. Okay? Because sometimes our mind tend to seek negative instead of positive. Our mind tend to look for loopholes why he or she made it, so that magkaroon tayo ng good feeling in ourselves why we are not making money, why we are not successful. Right? Ganun po tayo minsan eh. Oh, kaya siya naging successful kasi ang pagulang niya mayaman. O kaya siya naging successful kasi magaling siya sa computer. O kaya siya naging successful kasi single siya. O kaya siya naging successful kasi magaling siya sa English or sa writing. We seek those holes so that we can justify our lack of action, our lack of focus. It massages our heart. It makes us feel good. Yes, you are right. There is a reason why you are not successful. And I'm telling you right now, after coaching over 3,000 entrepreneurs, probably the only common denominator by many, or for those who succeeded, is because long-term, not just like kumita ngayon, wala na. But those long-term really made money, like in the multi-million level. There are people who really embrace their community and decided, I'm going to serve this market. I'm going to serve these people with all my heart. That's the thing. That's the biggest and most important marketing strategy ever. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.